నరేంద్ర మోదీ నిర్వహించిన పరీక్షా పే చర్చలో పాల్గొన్న సెయింట్ అండ్ స్కూల్స్ సంగారెడ్డి విద్యార్థిని షాదాన్ సదఫ్ సంపన్న భారత్ దేశం కోసం 5 ప్రతిజ్ఞలు అనే కార్యక్రమంలో సంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా నుండి పాల్గొన్న ఏకైక విద్యార్థిని భారతదేశ అభివృద్ధి చెందిన మరియు సమర్థవంత దేశంగా రూపొందాలంటే దేశం యొక్క లక్ష్యాలను యువత వ్యక్తిగత లక్ష్యాలతో అనుసంధానిస్తూ యువతరంలో ఆత్మవిశ్వాసాన్ని పెంపొందించాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో నిర్వహించిన పరీక్షా పే చర్చ అనే కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొని పరీక్షలపై ఉన్న సందేహాలను నివృత్తి చేసుకొని ఉజ్వల భవిష్యత్తు కొరకు తన వంతు కృషి చేసింది. బుధవారం నాడు సెయింట్ ఆన్స్ పాఠశాల కరెస్పాండెంట్ కె యాంథనీ రెడ్డి విద్యార్థిని షాదాన్ సదఫ్ను సత్కరించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఆయన మాట్లాడుతూ విద్య భవిష్యత్తు మరియు వ్యక్తిత్వ వికాసానికి దోహదపడుతుందని, దానికి చక్కటి ఉదాహరణ షాదాన్ సదఫ్ అని, తాను యువతరంలోని శక్తి, విశ్వాసం మరియు నైపుణ్యాలను ప్రదర్శించినందుకు గాను ప్రధానమంత్రి నరేంద్ర మోదీ నేతృత్వంలో అభినందన పత్రం పొందినందుకు అభినందనలు తెలియజేశారు. విద్యార్థిని తల్లిదండ్రులు, ఉపాధ్యాయులకు పాఠశాల కరెస్పాండెంట్ కె యాంథనీ రెడ్డి ప్రత్యేక అభినందనలు తెలియజేశారు.
Really, it's a very happy moment. She is the second girl to participate, to speak with our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The 5 to 6 years back, one of the second class girl, I could not remember the name, one second class girl also participated, got a letter from the Narendra Modi. But it was very happy at the moment. But after 6 years or 5 years, and one of our student, yesterday also I told you what I am expecting from you. Clearly I told you, the entire student should not down your head. You always raise your head to see the sun, to see the sunrise. But today, and one of our student, Shaadan Sadaf. Really, we have to congratulate. We have to support. Today, the Narendra Modi is participating and is conducting the Pariksha Pe Charcha Karyakrama. Number of people, not only from Telangana, all over India, more than 2 crores of students are participating in this program. Among the 2 crores of students, one of our students. So we feel more proud.
Pariksha Pe Charcha in 10th standard, and I received my certificate in October 18. And I was overwhelmed looking after the certificate. And again I participated it in the January 1st intermediate. Again I am going to receive my certificate in July. I am thankful to my mother for giving advice to me. Thank you very much.
More moral support. Whatever she had problems, but the mother have given her support to the student. And today also, and the mother have taken the initiative. Then today she participated and she got a certificate, the appreciation, but it is very really great. So I congratulate the mother and student and behalf of the management and teachers and student. Thank you, Amma, once again to you. And really, it is a very happiest moment. And one of our students, so one couple day we got from second class, but now after 10th class. I think- So she studied now school from nursery to 10th class. 13 years. It's not a small journey. 13 years journey. We have a chance with her. But it is clearly I have given to that letter and everything he mentioned for that. And only the main quotation is Sampanna Bharat Desham Kosam Aidu Pratignan. Sampanna Bharat Desham Kosam Aidu Pratignan. So here particularly very important. And every student have to acquire the knowledge, to gain the knowledge. When you are going to participating in the different type of competitive examinations, then you came to know the knowledge. Then you came to know that how to participate to that. So I hope in future, and many students have to participate, then you have to get many awards and rewards. Then you have to dedicate your parents. You have to dedicate your school. You dedicate it to your teachers. I told you yesterday for 9th class students, who is the powerful person in the world? Joe Biden is the powerful person in the world. Who is the Joe Biden? Joe Biden is the President of America. He is the more powerful person in the world. Can you agree for 9th class students? Who is the powerful person in the world? Teacher. The teacher is the more powerful person in the world. The Narendra Modi or Joe Biden, whoever the highest personalities are there in the country, in the world, they are also once upon a time their students. They got a education from the teacher. So the teacher is the more powerful person. The parents are the more powerful persons are here. And today, one of these girls in front of you. So once again, I congratulate Anna. Then you have to participate in many programs. Then you have to get here. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. You have been a good opportunity of our school. Thank you very much, ma'am.